Does a professional sports team have any ownership interest in news about the team's games? The Pittsburgh Pirates pitched that notion to a federal judge, who then knocked it out of the ballpark in Pittsburgh Athletic Company versus KQV Broadcasting Company. The Pittsburgh Athletic Company owned both the Pittsburgh Pirates professional baseball team and Forbes Field, the Pirates' home stadium. The company sold tickets to the team's home game, and patrons agreed not to give out news of the game while in progress. The company sold to General Mills the rights to broadcast live play-by-play descriptions of Pirates games over the radio. General Mills then contracted with the National Broadcasting Company to broadcast that live coverage over NBC stations KDKA and WWSW. Forbes Field wasn't completely enclosed, so it was possible to watch Pirates games from outside the stadium. Competing radio station KQV paid observers to see the Pirates from outside the stadium and report in so KQV could also broadcast the games live. The Pittsburgh Athletic Company sued to prevent KQV from broadcasting Pirates games. The company then moved for a preliminary injunction.